and their deer are already in here. I figured they just to get them started, to learn, hey, here's a brand new water source that we couldn't use before. All right, so this is an old cattle pond. It's all silted in. Hey guys, Kapper here. Welcome back. This is a really quick follow-up to an experiment I did 2 days ago here on our new Missouri Ozarks farm. So this is an old cattle pond. A couple days ago, I put up a video. I'll put a link in the description if you want to see it. I cleaned out a portion of it because deer like physically could not get to it because it was, 2 to 3 feet of quicksand. So I put a comment in that and said, how many days do you think before I see deer tracks to see if they're actually using it? And well, that's today's up to the minute video. So I cleaned out a bunch of the sludge in that and I graded it. So now let's do a follow-up 2.5 days later and see if there's any deer tracks in it yet. And then stay tuned. I'll put a camera on this and I'll clean it out even more after today's update. Thanks.
I should have took the Polaris.
I want to see if there's deer tracks here at this little watering hole. Let's take a look quick. There's a set. There's a set. I think that's a set. There's a set. So it's only been a day or two and their deer are already in here. I figured they would be. I'm going to make this a lot bigger yet when I get more time, but just to get them started, to learn, hey, here's a brand new water source that we couldn't use before. All right, now let's get in.